In this video, we're going to talk about OpenSCAD, which is a freeware. So it's a totally free application or software that we can download and install in our computer, and we can use to create 3D models, which will be really technical. It will not be anything, let's say, artistic, but something real technical, and we're going to do that with parameters, so parametric modeling, and with programming. Now you can see all the information in Wikipedia and you can investigate yourself, but you can see here all the most important things, which is written in C++ and all other information. You will find it here. Also similar application are these ones at the bottom, and you can search in our YouTube channel if you want to see other CAD application. Just type, for example, CAD guide, and you will find other video guides about freeware and other CAD application. Also, you can write us if you are looking for something in particular, or you can check the playlists here at the top in English video courses. Okay, let's start with OpenSCAD. And the first thing you need to do is to go in the website, of course. So you search it in Google, you get in the first result. You can also directly go in the download page, and then you will download it from here. Now you can download this for Linux, Windows, or Mac, so you can use it in any computer, and also in older versions of operative systems. Down here you can see this little link will get you to the older versions. Right now I'm downloading this version here, which is for 2021 and Windows. Okay, so I click here and I download. When I click here, the file is going to be downloaded into the download folder, which is this one here. There's the installer right there. So all you need to do is double click there and go through the installer, which is really easy. You just need to pick a folder where you want to install the software and then say next, and there you're gonna install it. It's gonna take about 1 minute to download it and install it. So this is one of the first pros, is that it's really it's free and it's easy and it's fast. It's really lightweight program that you can download and install, so quick and easy. Okay, when you finish, this is the folder here where I install it, which is my in my C directory here in my programs, OpenSCAD, but you can pick any directory if you want to change it in the installation process. Once you finish, you can just double click on this, and in my case I added this to my start menu, or you can create a shortcut on your desktop. Just do whatever you like. So right here I will show you, this is a template that you can use. So you can start with some templates. So I'm gonna close this and discard all the changes and double click on this one here to show you how you will start. Now this is the first panel that you will encounter, and it's just, let's say, a welcome screen. And here you can create a new file which will be empty and open up a recent one, and this one is recent, or open up another file on your computer, or you can get to the help. In the right side here instead we have examples. So if you don't know what OpenSCAD is, you are just beginning right now, you can just select one of these if you want to know a little bit more what's about. So for example here I want to see this one here, text on cube, which is one of these basic examples. So you also have other examples here. This will help you understand the limits and also the main features of the software. So basically what you can do or cannot do. So for example, let's select this one and open it. And there you go. Now this is a really simple object. It's you can see a lot of the edges here, and it looks really technical. Doesn't look so fancy at all, because this is what OpenSCAD is. Well, first of all, it's free. So when something is free, of course, it's less, let's say, elaborated than another paid application, but you can still do a lot of things with this. Depends what you need to do. Now, if you need to do something technical, if you need to project and create a really, let's say, an engineering part of a machinery or something like that, and you need to print something really simple. Now this is an excellent tool because it's free, it's lightweight, and it's a little bit complex because you don't just go there and draw and design, but you need to go through the programming language. This is the programming language in the left side here. You can check like all the let's say the backstage of what's happening in the application, especially when you start up the application. Here are all the instructions when the software starts, and here in the right side you have the parameters. Now everything here works with parameters, everything is connected with parameters, so this is why it's called parametric modeling, and it's not the, let's say, classical polygonal modeling or NURBS modeling. This is something different. You change here the cube size, letter size, everything it's driven by parameters and programming language. So it's a bit different from what you usually find in other applications. Now you can also change here the views. You have some navigation tools here, or you can use the left mouse to orbit around, middle mouse to zoom or scroll wheel to zoom, and left mouse to pan, and that's it. That's how you move around. But we are not going to go too deep with this video here. This is just an introduction, just to show you what this software is about and give you a first look of this. Now if you're interested in this and if you want us to make more videos, you can support us in our channel. You can write comments, you can, you know, show us your support, your interest, and perhaps in the future, if we have enough funds, if we have enough support, we can make more videos, and maybe an entire video course on this software, which looks really interesting. But you know, it's a little bit for programmers more than for designers. Now I just want to show you here in our YouTube channel, which is JBDTube, so you can search for JBDTube on the web and find it. We already have some courses. So just to show you a couple of options, if you get here in the channel and you go in the playlist page, at the top you will find English video courses. Now, for example, if you want something more professional and complex and complete, and also easier if you are not a programmer, you should go for AutoCAD 2D. Now, this is a little bit expensive, but you can also download and use the free trials. So you can start, for example, with free trials, and then if you're interested, you can buy it and you can do really amazing things. 2D and 3D, both. You can create architectural projects or engineering projects and so on. Now, another option you have, if you don't like technical things or technical models, you can try with Matbox. Matbox, it's more for, let's say, organic shapes, organic forms. You can create, let's say, animals or characters. You can sculpt, basically. You can sculpt and create really organic forms. And you can paint, so it's more artistic. It's another approach, a totally different approach from the one that we saw in this OpenSCAD software. So you can check also the other English video courses here. You can check our daily videos that we publish on many different software, and also websites and smartphone apps, a lot of stuff. And also, if you want to support us, you can support us with the store in the About page using these links here. For example, if you use this link in Coinbase and register, you will support us because we will get a little reward, but also you will get rewarded as well. So you can use this in the About page, or you just simply join our channel and start to communicate with us, asking questions, or again, supporting us to make more videos about software like this or this particular software if you want. So please join and participate. Thanks for watching this video, and see you in the next one.